Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're learning English and want to sound more natural and confident, you're in the right place. Have you ever noticed that native speakers use a lot of casual phrases you never learned in school? That's because real English is full of everyday expressions that don't always show up in textbooks. But once you know them, you'll sound way more fluent, and conversations will feel a lot easier. So today, I'm sharing 10 real English phrases that native speakers use all the time. And now you can too. Let's get into it. Phrase 1, I'm down. This phrase means I agree or I'm interested. You can use it when someone invites you to do something. Example, hey, want to grab coffee later? Yeah, I'm down. It's a casual, friendly way to say, yes, I'd like that. Phrase 2, no biggie. No biggie means it's not a problem or no worries. Use it when someone apologizes or thanks you. Example, thanks for waiting. No biggie. It's relaxed and shows you're easygoing. Phrase 3, hit me up. This one means call me, text me, or contact me. You'll hear it a lot in informal conversations. Example, if you need help with English homework, hit me up. It's super modern and used all the time online and in texting. Phrase 4, I'm beat. I'm beat means I'm really tired. Use it at the end of a long, busy day. Example, I just worked a 10-hour shift. I'm beat. It's a simple and natural way to say you're exhausted. Phrase 5, that's lit. That's lit means that's amazing or that's awesome. It's slang, and young people especially love using it. Example, your party was lit last night. Use this when you want to show something was super fun or exciting. Phrase 6, it's not my thing. This means I don't like it, or it's not for me. It's a polite way to say you're not interested in something. Example, do you like horror movies? Not really. It's not my thing. A great way to express your preferences without sounding rude. Phrase 7, let's play it by ear. This phrase means, let's decide later, depending on what happens. It's used when you don't want to make strict plans. Example, are we meeting at 7? Let's play it by ear, depends on traffic. It shows flexibility in your plans. Phrase 8, cut to the chase. This means get to the point. Use it when someone is talking too much or being too slow to explain. Example, okay, I don't have much time. Cut to the chase. It's a bit direct, so use it with people you're comfortable with. Phrase 9, I'm feeling under the weather. This is a softer way to say I'm sick. Use it when you're not feeling well. Example, are you okay? You look tired. I'm just feeling a bit under the weather. It's polite and commonly used in casual conversations. Phrase 10, you nailed it. You nailed it means you did it perfectly. It's used to give praise when someone does a great job. Example, wow, your pronunciation was perfect. You nailed it. It's encouraging and positive. Great for motivating someone. That's it for today. 10 real, everyday English phrases that will help you sound like a native speaker. Let me know in the comments. Which one was your favorite? Or which one will you start using? If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. And remember, you're not just learning English. You're learning how to use it. Catch you next time. Which phrase was your favorite? Comment below and tell me, are you down to sound like a native?